So in this video I'm going to show you a helpful way of writing reports or essays using Google Docs. So this works in a similar way to Dragon speech recognition software, but it's free. This will help you get started in your essay if you're having problems beginning. So what Google Docs can do is it takes your audio, if you play it, and it types it out for you. Say I want to write an essay about dyslexia. So I would have recorded my ideas onto either a mobile, a microphone or a dictaphone. So if you have that recorded somewhere, it's quite simple to use this. Type in Google Docs, click on it, go to Google Docs. Oh, thank you. Start a blank cover. So once you're on the Google Docs main page, click on Tools and Voice Typing. Press the microphone symbol. So in this essay, I'll be talking about dyslexia and a helpful way to write down essays quickly. So once you've recorded what you want to say, you can put it into Microsoft Word. And Grammarly should show you the spelling mistakes if there is any. But if you're having difficulties thinking of an outline, why not use YouTube? So just type in whatever your topic is or whatever you're looking for. Say it's for marketing strategies or supply chain, or in this case dyslexia. Just go through a couple of videos that sound roughly what you're talking about. So press play on YouTube and then press the microphone on Google Doc.
Well, I always tell dyslexics I talk to that dyslexia is actually a gift because it gives you talents that other people don't have. It's now very clear that dyslexics excel at some kinds of occupations. For instance, there are more artists who are dyslexics than you'd expect. There are more architects than you'd expect. There are more entrepreneurs than you'd expect. There are more engineers than you'd expect. Now, all those things have something in common. That is to say, it means you have to have a holistic outlook on life rather than being good at sequential things. Reading requires sequencing the letters and the words and making sure you know where they are in the right order. Whereas artists require really to see a whole scene.
So there will sometimes be spelling mistakes in it. Just make sure to watch it when it's recording. Other than that, it is super handy to use to get ideas from. Remember to make sure when you're writing down an essay to start with an outline of it. Then have 5 points. Point 1, the introduction. Point 2, a topic. Point 3, another topic. Point 4, another topic. And then the 5th one, your conclusion. So I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope it's useful. Please comment if you have any questions about it. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you.